All right, folks, another day on the pier. Solely artificial. See if I can hook into a few trout. Not a whole lot going on so far. Oh, that might have been a fish. That might have been a fish. Yeah, the tide is still going out, so I don't expect much, but I'll be happy to give it a shot.
Round one. Ready, go!
Cobia. Big old cobia.
Taking them all the way down?
Hopefully, might not make it. Like a big old cobia though.
I hope so.
I think so.
Sure running with it.
Yeah, that's cobia. You might make it down there.
What you fishing with?
A jig.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get back home. Oh, wow.
I know. He walking too.
Out no further than
Look at that. It's one underneath them. See the one underneath them? There's two of them there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. A smaller one.
Yeah.
You let me know if you can help transfer that thing.
All right.
Challenge. Oh, this is better for you than look, you see, he says another one showing that the biggest one you caught?
No.
No?
Uh-uh.
I hooked about 3 or 4 of them a few years ago and never got them in.
Bait fishing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was, and then I found out you gotta let them run. And the second run.
I caught a 62 pounder.
Wow.
Off a little piece of shrimp.
hurt now. The other one's still swimming with him.
Come on, calm down.
There's the surfer right there.
Nope, nope. Go the other way. Other way, not this way. Cobia.
Oh, the little ones with him.
Yeah.
Keep you get him in down there at the rock.
He yours if you want him.
Okay. That's what I'm talking about.
Just give me a picture, you can have him.
Those people will cut those rocks, don't cut your line.
Come here, buddy. You ain't going that way. Ah! It's all right.
What a beautiful fish. That's the best fish I've ever seen here in 20, 30 years.
Ah! Damn. That was a big cobia there, buddy. Whew. Just to give a little feedback on what just happened. So I'm at the pier fishing for trout mainly, and I just hooked what looks like probably, I'm gonna say 40+ inch cobia, and I had it dragging from the end of the pier all the way down around all those poles, all the way to the very end, and I got him all the way there at the very end, and he decided to dive for the piling. I was fishing with 20-pound tests, so needless to say, he got away. But I was throwing him back anyway, so thanks for the fight, Mr. Cobia, but I wasn't keeping you at all. I was throwing it back. The guy did ask for it, but I was gonna throw him back anyways. But anyway, back at it. Jig fishing, let's get it. Got him. Trout, baby. Got him. Nice trout too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come here. That's a keeper too. That's a keeper trout.
That's a trout, isn't it?
It's a keeper too, yeah. Let me go and get this guy away. I don't want him unless somebody else have him. Nice little speckled trout. Was definitely a keeper. See this guy want him. Big dog. Big dog. On it.
Yes, sir.
All right. Yes, sir.
Man, blessings, man. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
What you using this bait?
A jig.
Jigs?
Yeah. wash my hands off. Come on. Got another one, boy. Another nice. Oh, it got off. Oh.
Fishtail.
Huh?
It's a fishtail.
It was a trout tail. Second one. Yep. Just lost a nice trout. Felt real nice.
Seem to have the right spot. I've been watching the rest of the pulls and they're not even getting bites.
Yeah.
And not at the end. There's got a fat catfish over there. You know, it's a shame they vandalized all these stations, cleaning stations.
Uh-huh.
There used to be fresh water. I heard you when you know, said wash your hands.
Yeah.
Fish are slimy. They used, I haven't been out here in forever, but all these used to have fresh water. You
Oh.
wash your hands, you know, it trickled up and out.
Yeah, of course.
To wash, to wash your, when you clean the fish, but enough to where you can get that shit off.
Yeah, there's still two down there, but there's none down there.
Yeah. See that work kind of, see every place it bulges
Yeah,
out?
there's two there. There's two that work down there.
Oh, there are?
Yeah.
Oh, they must have shut it up before up there.
Yeah, something must have happened.
Yeah, it's called vandals. It was like to smash shit to do so.
All right, we are back. That's two nice trout. I gave them both away to the guy down there. One was 16, the other one was 16 and a half. So two nice trout. Pretty sure y'all know where I'm at. There's no secret at all. You just gotta know what you're doing when you get here. There's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 fishermen. And I've been here about 10 minutes and I got 2 trout. No one else has caught anything. Make that 3 trout. Ooh, nice trout. Nice trout. This one's too small. I don't think he's gonna make the cut. May have to go back. Yeah, that's a keeper, bro. Another keeper. There's a keeper trout. This guy's lucky day. Getting free fish, not have to work for it. Alright, so that's 3 keepers. The good part about it is I'm using the same bait. This bait is demolished and beat up. Same bait, 3 trout. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. It's blowing from behind, so it should not be too bad. But yeah, I'm definitely not the one to hold out on spots. I mean, I'm not getting paid to do this. I'm doing it for fun. So if you know where I am, this is a very public pier. Go buy you a 1/4 ounce Bass Assassin jig head and preferably a pack of dark colored DOA. I've used a lot of different colors, but for some reason dark color, purple, black, dark blue, you know, anything that's dark works here very well. And you want to come here on an incoming tide. For some reason they only bite on incoming tide and only fish the left hand side of the bridge, not the right at all, only the left. So there is your spot tip of the day. And if you come out here and you do what I'm telling you to do and it works just like I said it would, leave me a comment, man, because you know I do this quite often and I kind of know what I'm gonna catch and where I'm gonna catch it. So as you can see, I only brought one rod, one jig, my backpack, and my camera. So I already know what they're biting on. I've caught 3 keepers and I had one that felt really good and it got off. Got another one. Number 4, folks. Yeah, he's small. He's got to go back. Yeah, he's a little bit too small. He's too small. Nice little trout. Small guy. You gotta go back. That's 4 trout in about 15 minutes max. Oh yeah, that's another keeper for sure. That's another keeper for sure. Come in. Oh, you lucky dog. You lucky dog, you. Oh. That was another keeper. That was a nice one too. Ah, that was a nice one. That was a nice one, folks. That was probably the biggest one yet. So I use these a lot. Well, these won't catch the 16, 17 inch trout. This is only catching 18, 19, 20, like larger trout. Here anyway. At this spot, for some reason, the smaller guys won't bite that. So if you want to catch all sizes, small and large, that will get it done, boy. That'll get it done. That will get it done. Like so. Voila. That was a nice fish though. That was a nice fish. That was a nice fish. Come on, buddy, keep playing. There we go, got him. Small guy. Last two have been small. I'm on 17, 18. I mean, I caught some big ones here before. I've caught 22, 23-inch trout on artificial, which is pretty good. Come on, buddy. Give me a short strike on that one. Ah, another short strike. Come on. Same plane, back again. That was a nice trout. Come on. Oh man, that has some weight to it. Ah. That has some weight on it. Yeah. Yeah, lots of trout.
Anything edible though?
Yeah, all edible actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, trout.
Oh,
there's one right there.
Oh, look.
Perfect timing.
Oh, okay, let's see here.
Perfect timing.
Really perfect time. Look,
It's a small one though, too small. You gotta go back home.
it is, even if it's a small one.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. You just gotta go back.
He's got to go back.
Yeah.
Is that a trout?
Trout, yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that fish. Look for it.
Nice little trout.
See it?
Oh yeah.
Look at that fish. Whoa, it's beautiful. You see the pretty fish? Look.
He's like, yeah, no thanks.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem.
Yep. Ramsey, you were named after all the fish.
Shark. Oh, the bird's trying to eat my fish. The bird's trying to eat it. Hey, get out of here. Oh! Got off. He tried to get it.
I was like, uh-oh.